up slow today. Flowers on my mind, paper in my hands, soft and light to find. Fix the stems with care, hold them nice and tight. Little by little, it's turning out right. Fold it once, then two. Take my time, go slow. Simple things can bloom more than what you know. With Shanley DIY, I wrap with love inside. Every little fold filled with care and pride. From my hands to you, watch the beauty grow. In each simple wrap, there's a heart to show. Smooth the side so clean, fix the shape just right. Add a ribbon touch, keep it soft and light. Not too fast, just calm, let the moment stay. Every single step done my gentle way. No rush, no pressure here, just the joy I make in every quiet wrap. There's a piece I take. With Shanley DIY, I made this on my own. Simple flowers wrapped with the love well shown. Not just what you see, more than just bouquet. It's a piece of me in a soft display. Yeah. The flowers bloom, all set to show, in shades that softly glow. Now comes a step I hold so dear, the final moment drawing near. I lift them up with steady hands, fix every piece the way I planned. A wrap so smooth, a gentle guide to keep their beauty safe inside. Wrapped with love, wrapped just right by Shanley DIY. Day and night, not just blooms for eyes to see, but something made sincerely. Layer by layer, I take my time, turning simple into fine. Edges straight and corners clean, the softest wrap you've ever seen. A ribbon placed with care, so true. A quiet touch to see it through. Not too loud, not too much, just enough of a loving touch. It's more than paper, more than art. It's a piece of my quiet heart. In every fold and every line, there's a love you can't define. Wrapped with love, wrapped just right by Shanley DIY. Soft and light, more than craft and all I do. It's a gentle piece of me for you. Shanley DIY, simple and true. Every little thing I make for you. No need to rush, just let it show. That's how these little flowers grow. Fold by fold, I take my time. Every ribbon fits the line. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just quiet work. I feel so proud, and step by step it comes out right. In simple hands it feels so light. No simple bloom, made with care. Little details everywhere. From my hands to something new, a soft creation just for you. Every wrap I gently do feels like something warm and true. Fold by fold it all aligns, simple beauty every time. Morning light and quiet air, a craft begins with love and care. I wire a petal soft and sweet, little colors at my feet. One by one the shapes arise, like tiny stars before my eyes. I twist a tie, a bloom in view, a little world I'm walking through. And it blooms in my hand softly and slow. A garden from dreams begins to grow. No rush, no noise, just calm and sky. Crafted with heart by Shanley DIY. In DIY. Threading joy in every line, making peace with every sign. With ribbon, charm, and wire so light, I shape my thoughts in colors bright. These hands may tire but never fade, for joy like this is softly made. And in the stillness you'll see why. It's magic made by Shanley DIY. And it blooms in my hands softly and slow. A garden from dreams begins to grow. No rush, no noise, just calm and sky. Crafted with heart by Shanley DIY. In DIY. Oh, and it blooms in my hand softly and slow. A garden from dreams begins to grow.